I think I may be old enough to remember the same conversations around the internet when governments were skeptical about using the internet because of the question of control. And I think it's the same thing here. The question of control comes center stage, is like who controls the data and the skepticism that comes with it. But if we overcame that when it came to the internet, and we still have an open and transparent way of which you can transact, that can also be held true for blockchain. Again, it's about how do we package the benefits so that we see, but then also realistically look at the risks. In our experience, governments are actually willing. The Uganda government has been very forthright, fortunately, in its embracing of blockchain, and the benefits that they're seeing out is, for example, in some government institutions that deal with a lot of data, they're embracing blockchain because it can give them a platform to share data securely across multiple entities and have a visible view. And I think even as governments, even as we move towards a more open government, the question of control will sort of die out, because again, we are now saying control is to the user. The user owns their own data. And so governments are just busily become now custodians of that trust. And so if we walk down that path, we'll see that they are willing to embrace blockchain, not from a control perspective, but from a transparency perspective, while maintaining their regulatory oversight. And blockchain can give them that fine control of their regulatory oversight. So it's a win-win for them, depending on how you pitch it. That's our experience, at least here in Uganda.